How to change gender in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change or select different gender. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, on the top, you'll be able to see this complete profile button. Tap on complete profile. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section of gender. So here it is. Simply tap on gender. Here you can select your gender easily, woman or man. So here simply select the one, and at last here on the bottom simply tap on save and close, and you are all set. So this is the preference and it will automatically show all the people related to it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.